of our members wrote in, I'm looking for a new Class A motorhome. What do you recommend, gas or diesel? That's been a question or a debate for quite a few years. You know, back 10, 15 years ago, there was a huge difference. The gas didn't have quite the torque. It didn't have the power to do mountains if you're going to be towing, that type of stuff. You really had to step up to a diesel, and that was some pretty big bucks back then. Today's gas and diesel have really come a lot closer. The gas chassis right now, as of today, it's the Ford chassis, the Triton V10. It has, I believe, 362 horsepower, but the main thing is torque. And the diesel engine is going to have better torque. The reason you buy a diesel over gas, in my opinion, is it's got a heavier chassis. You're going to get a better ride, airbags, larger tires. All that's going to translate in going down the road, giving you a better driving experience. It also is a little less affected by wind from side drafts or from truck shear that would come by you. The gas engine, and I look at the difference right now, you're going to pay a lot more money for the diesel. The diesel engine is also going to come with the transmission and the chassis, so it's a substantial jump. Sometimes you'll see $25,000 up to $75,000, depending on the size of that engine. Now, the price of diesel versus gas kind of fluctuates over the years. Last year, diesel was $1 more than gas. You're going to get about 2 miles a gallon better with a diesel engine, but I don't look at buying the diesel for fuel economy because I'm never going to make up that difference in the price I have to pay for diesel versus gas. Now, if I'm looking at a unit that's, you know, maybe under 34 feet, and it's got a couple slide rooms, not triple slides, quad slides. I want to tow 5,000 pounds, and I don't mind if it goes down into if I'm driving 65 miles an hour, I may go down to 60 miles an hour on a 6% grade in the mountains. But, you know, I don't see, in my opinion, having to take that big step up to the diesel with a smaller coach like that. Now, if you're going to be towing more, you're going to be going in the mountains more often, you want to maintain speed, the diesel does have its advantages. So look at how you're using that coach, where you're going with it, the things you're going to take. Diesel will allow you to have more amenities inside like marble, Corian, tile floors, the heavier stuff like that. But take a look at how you use it, where you're going, and make the choice between gas and diesel.